Okay, so let's continue from the last video. So we're gonna do try to finish chapter 2 PowerPoint. So on the slide 5, we're gonna first of all we're gonna change the layout to blank. So this is a layout. Here's a blank one. So that is a blank. As you can see here, this is the one you're supposed to change. So click this one. As you can see, that now your layout becomes this. Now we're gonna add the shapes. So click shape more button. So we're gonna first of all, this is shape button right here. So we have all these shapes. So it asks you to choose oval under the basic shape. On the basic shape, this oval here. Okay. So we're gonna choose insert the basic shape oval. Oh, we're gonna move it a little bit to this. So you can move around the place. I'm gonna put it in the center. Then we're gonna insert shape again. So go to the home, insert shape again. So this time we're gonna insert trapezoid. Okay, first one is on the basic shape. The sixth shape is trapezoid. So this is the number the sixth shape on the first row under the basic shape. This is the one we are supposed to have. So we drag it right here. So we can always adjust the size and locations. Next one is we're gonna add another shape. Go to the home shape. So we're gonna add another shape, which is under the curve, under the arrow down, and we're gonna have arrow. This one, the block arrow, curve down. Oh, this is another one. So we're gonna try to find out. So this one, curve down, yes. So this is supposed this one. Okay, not the last one. So this is the one you're supposed to have. So we drag it. So I'm gonna have something look like this. Now we have the shapes we need. So we can go to the next part, resize the shape proportionally. So we're gonna first of all choose this one first. Trapezoid. Press, hold Shift key. Okay, Shift key. Press and hold Shift key. And drag lower right corner. Okay, wait, what's wrong? Okay, until we're gonna have to resize something like this. We're gonna, make this resize. Okay, it did not tell us this exactly what size it is. Just something look like the book tell you. You release the size shape, and it tells you you can choose the oval. You need to make the oval big also. Hold down the Shift key, and then drag the lower left corner to make it big. Okay, something look like they want. Okay, wait a second. What I have now? So you can always resize to whatever shape you like. Okay, so we have this. Now the next part is resize this shape. So we want to make this one big. According to the book, in the end, this one should be huge. Okay, so we're gonna select arrow shape, and then display the drawing tool. So shape tool, shape format. And we click the shape height box right here. So right now is 1.25. So we can make it a 3. Then we want to make the white from 2.08 become 13.5. Oh, so huge. So this is a 13.5. This is too big. So we can drag it a little bit like here. So if necessary, you can change the height width to 4. So if you want, it says you can change the height to 4 if you want. It become like this. Oh, continue. Next one. We'll go to the next one. select the trapezoid again. So this is, we're gonna select this one again. We want the size to be 4, but now right now finally tell us the size. The height is 4 and the width is 3. Click enter. Okay, so this is also huge. So we have this one, but now we're gonna, I think the circle still didn't tell us where the circle, right? So we can kind of, according to the book, the circle should be very similar height as this one. So we should probably make the circle a little bit bigger. Okay, so we're gonna have to make the circle. We can drag it down to make it bigger. We can always resize later. Okay, so we're gonna, so now that's why to select all the content, display the home tab. Then we click select icon. Right here on the left, on the right, you can see the select icon. Okay, select all. Click select all. So all is selected. And it tells you to apply the shape style. So when it's all selected, you click, go to the home. It's right now it's under the home tab. Quick style. Where's quick style? Which is right here. Okay, that is quick style. And then you're gonna change the style. So we're gonna scroll down and point to the gradient fill, light blue accent 1, no outline, which is under the preset. Yeah, number 5th one of this one, under the preset, the last one. Okay, so this is you're supposed to choose. Now you can always pause the video and try to find the right one. So this is what you're supposed to have. So we have this. So we click anywhere to deselect all 3 of them. Now we're gonna have to make a copy of our trapezoid. So select the trapezoid and then go to the home tab. As you can see here, this is the copy button. You can either use Ctrl+C or just click the icon. Either way. So I need to paste. There's one more. It's generated one. So you put it on the left side. Okay. So it looks like this. Then with the left trapezoid shape selected, we type the content inside. Remember your preferred temperature. Next one, we type turns itself up or down. Next one, be controlled. Can be controlled from anywhere using phone, tablet, and or laptop. Okay. We type all the text, so you can pause it, type everything. Then we can select the right trapezoid, which is this one, and hold Shift key. Once Shift key, then click over. Then we click the left one. So basically, select those of them, and try to format the text. If necessary, click the home tab, then click the bold button. So we're gonna go to the home, click bold, or you bold text, right? And click text shadow. This text shadow, okay? Add a shadow. Then you click the font color, which is one, and change dark blue. So that is dark blue, okay? Then we increase the size. Right now it's 18, as you can see here. You increase size to 20. So it's look like this. So we're done with formatting the font inside of its shape. Now this next part is to change a shape fill color. Okay, so click arrow shape to select it. This one, the arrow shape. So we're gonna change this one first, okay? Now we're gonna go to the shape fill button to shape format. And the shape fill, tape the shape format with the text right here, the shape fill button. Tells you to change it to green on the standard color. So standard color green. Okay, so that is the standard color green. Now click anywhere to deselect it. So this arrow become green. The next part is we're gonna rearrange all these pictures. Now with the slide 5 display the view tab, and then click the guide. Click this one. As you can see, that give you this in the center they have the vertical and the horizontal lines, and it tells you to display the ruler. So we open the ruler, click this one. Under the view, click the ruler, so the even ruler come out, and then display the graded line. So all it's become black like this. Okay, so most likely you want to change the size, change the locations. So we go to the view and click all 3 of them, so we can put it in the right location. So position the pointer on the horizontal guide on the blank area of the side, so the pointer change to double-headed. And then drag the horizontal guide to 3.2 inches below the center. Right here. Okay, so we have the pointer chain double arrow, and chain double arrow. Okay, so position the pointer in the horizontal guide. Oh, right here, I forgot. So this is the horizontal guide, right? So you just have to drag it to the three part. Okay, to drag it down. See here. Suppose today the horizontal guide is in the center, but you're gonna move your cursor down to here. Okay, in the 3. Do not release mouse button. Then release button to the position horizontal at the 3, which is the intended location of shape button. We have that. Then we position, after we make our horizontal guide to be here, then position the pointer to the vertical guide in the blank area slide, so the pointer changes to double head, which is a vertical double head. Okay, then you drag to 5 inches on the left of the center. So right here. So you drag, so we move it here. Okay, so after that you can drag the left. So you have this 5 and 3. So you're gonna move your left trapezoid to here. So the left lower left corner touch intersection of the 5 and 3. And this is the first thing we do. Then again, after finish the first location, we're gonna do the next one. We're gonna drag the vertical guide to 2 in the left. So right here. And select oval shape, which is this one. And the position is so the lower left corner touched the intersection of vertical and horizontal guide. So go down, go down, go down, go down, go down. So it's like this. So it touch this, something like this. Okay. So can we move down a little bit? Okay, so it's like this. So okay. Why did it move a little bit? Okay. The reason I adjust it because I want this 0 vertical line go straight in the center of that. But we can do this later. Then after that, we're gonna move our vertical line again to the 2 on the right. So right here, the 2 on the right. Then the right one, you move your lower left corner to be 2 and 3 intersection. Right now, you see here, the lower left corner is 2 and 3 intersection. Now they are in the right location. So right now they are in the right location. Next one is select left. Okay, so select all 3 of them. You can just select the first one, hold Control key, select the other 3. I mean, yeah, 3, select other 3. Then, you can use hold Control key. Once you select the first one, you hold Control key, select the other 2. Then you click Align under the home section. Oh, sorry, under the format. So you're gonna align 2 slides. We're gonna align 2 slides. So just spacing the picture evenly between the slides page. Click the Align button again to display Align Object menu again. So we choose distribute horizontally. So you have a evenly space. Okay, evenly space around this. Then we go to Align again. Still choose the Align menu. So this time we're gonna choose with the 3, still these 3 shapes selected. Then we're gonna choose Align middle. Make them move up a little bit, right? Make all of them in the middle of this PowerPoint. Next part is we're gonna work on the arrow shape. So drag the horizontal guide to 3 inches above the center. So right now it's below the center, right? So we're gonna move to 3 inches above center. Oh, that is right here, right here. Okay, this is 3 inches above center. And the vertical guide 6.66. 6.66 inches left corner of the left edge of slice. So we're gonna right now. This is my right now my vertical guide is on the 2. So I'm gonna drag it somewhere around here. It tells you in the edge like 2.66. Okay, release it. Select the shape, then drag it to arrow shape. Drag it to upward, so the upper left corner touch the intersection of the vertical horizontal. So they joined at here. So you're gonna drag it up. Sorry, not this one. I'm gonna have to undo it. This one, okay, the arrow. So you're gonna drag it. So you want the upper left corner touch the intersection of vertical horizontal. So I'm gonna have to do this. Okay, so here, touch the intersection here. Then we're gonna have to flip. So we go to the with the array still selected. We click the rotate button on the shape format. Rotate button. and we choose flip vertical. Okay, so you should have something like this. Next part is you want to set the arrow back to the shape on the back of the shape instead of blocking the content. So with arrow shape selected, display the drawing tool format if necessary, and click send backward. As you can see here, this is send backward. So you don't have to block the text message on the right trapezoid, right? Send backward. So see here, send backward. So you click send backward. You know, you might, if you need, you might need to do it 2 times or 3 times. So send the arrow backwards to all these several objects. Now after you finish, you're gonna have to go back to the home tab, click select button, select all. So now you want to group them together. So you click select all. After you select all, then click the drawing format, shape format, and click group, and click group all them together. So they group together. Next one, we're gonna insert the shapes, additional shapes. As you can see, you can click this one. So I'm gonna click the insert additional shapes. So with the drawing tools, okay, with the drawing tools, not this one actually. With the drawing tools format display, click the simple more button to insert more a shape. This we can display shape. Insert 3 shapes in the bottom of the slides: the moon shape, the 10th shape in the 3rd basic row. This one, this moon shape. We need this one, and we need another one. The flow chart, punch type banner. So go back to the shape. The other one we choose is under the flow chart right here, under the flow chart category, punch type. Next one is the sun shape. So we're gonna go back to the insert, go to the shape, and the sun shape, which is the 9th in the basic shape, which is right here. That is the sun shape. So it tells you to drag the moon to the lower left side of slides, drag the banner under the oval, and drag the sun to the right side, which is most likely what I'm doing now. So we selected 3 new shapes, click shape more button and apply. Okay, so we're gonna have to change the colors. So we're gonna click this one, click the moon first, hold the Control key, select this tab banner, click the sun. Then we're going to go to the shape style, shape format, and we're gonna change the shape fill to shape more button, then apply light 1 outline color fill green, which is 3rd style on the 3rd theme. What is this? Green accent 2. Okay, not this one. Go to here. This one. Yeah, light one. So you're gonna have to click here. This light one outline color fill, green accent 2. So you click this. So you see here, go to the shape style format, and then you're gonna choose these 3 of them. Then we have to, after we change all the colors, we have to resize them. So click the moon on the shape format, the size you want is 1.5 to 0.8. 1.5, 0.8. So this is the moon we're supposed to have. The other one, this spanner, we want to be 1.5. Sorry, 1.5 and 6.5. Then align the banner so the left is 3 inches of the left one is 3 inches. So move to here to make it a 3. To here, that is a 3 here. So align the, and then the lower one is the 3 inches to the left, and lower edge is 3 inches below the center. So lower edge is 3.5 inches. So 3.5. So I'm gonna move a little bit. Yeah, 3.5. It looks like this. Now we're going to select the moon and click the bring forward button to reposition the moon above the banner. So we are going to select the moon and bring forward, click bring forward on the shape, then reposition the moon above the banner. So we're going to put it right here. Okay. Align the moon so that the right edge is 2 inches off to the left. Right edge 2 inches. Oh, I already did it. 2 inches to right. See here, it's 2 inches to my right edge, and the lower edge is 3.5 inches. So I didn't change. This is the one. See, it is 3.5. So you can resize. I think the one I have is right, just right. The next one is align the sun. So the left edge of your sun is 2 inches right to the center. So this is the sun. My sun is too. Sorry, this is the sun. Probably sun is too small. So I'm gonna make it bigger. I'll make it smaller. So you want to drag it to the 2 inches right center. So 3 inches right center on the left edge. So now you put it in the right location based on page 47. Okay, based on page 47 information, you choose the right part. Then we have to merge the shape. So select all 3 of them. Select the moon, hold the Control key, select the banner, select the sun. So all of them selected. Now, are we gonna merge the center? Wait a second. So I am merge with the drawing tool. Format display. Click the merge shapes. So join the shape forward. Text. We have a text. So join to format display. Click the merge shape to display merge shape menu, which is right here. We have this choice. So we're gonna click combine, which means to combine all of them together as one shape. Okay, combine, choose combine. Okay. When you choose combine, it's look like this. Then you type the smart. So type smart. So we'll state. Press enter. Works night and day. And after that, you're gonna increase both lines to size 824. To size 24. Okay, now it's almost there. So we're gonna hide grid and guide. So we're gonna hide all these lines. So we go back to the view button, view tab, and deselect all of this, clear all the check mark. Okay, we have this. Now we have this. We hide all the rulers and grid lines. Okay, the next one is to apply the page fill to the shape. So now display slice 4. We go back to slice 4 again. In the slice 4, we're gonna insert a star. So go to the home section, insert shape again. So you can see the shapes are in at least 2 places. One is under the home, one is under the insert. Okay, so we're gonna have a 7-point shape. Seven-point shape right under the star and the banner, and we put it right here. Okay, so you can go to the shape, make sure it's a 3 times 3. 3 times 3. So it's like this. You move a little bit inside. Okay, move up a little bit. Something look like this. And with the drawing tools format display, click the shape fill. Display the shape fill gallery. And we're gonna change this the picture. Actually, we're gonna add a picture. So we click picture. Okay, say from a file. So the file we are having is a not this one. I think I save it right here because I have 2. I have I think it should be this one, PowerPoint module, and you can see here. So it's on the data file folder. So we have a support PowerPoint right here. Okay, so we have this one. Next one is you want to add the shape outline. So with the star shape selected, still selected, and we click the shape outline. This will shape outline, and we point to the weight in shapes. The display weight list. So we're gonna choose 6 point. Okay. We can see here. Oh, sorry, shape outline. The weight is 6 point. Okay, choose a 6 point. After you choose a 6 point, your graph look like this. Okay, now we're gonna change the color. So with the shape still selected, we go to the shape outline again. So now we're gonna change the, instead of the green, we want to make it the, instead of blue, we want to green. So we choose green, and it should look like this. Okay. Then we can change the shape outline style. So we can still back to the outline. They have we have click dashes, and they have different styles. The one we choose is a round dot. Round dot, which is second one. Okay. After that, you see here, change like this. That's why we want to add a shape effect. So click the shape effect, and point to glow. Point to glow 18 point. If we move around, you will see the name of the one you choose. So the one you choose is glow 18 point green accent 2. That is the one you're supposed to choose. Okay. And we have this one. It looks like this. Next part is to rotate the shape to the exact value. So we're gonna rotate the shape a little bit. So still the star shape selected. Under the shape format, we have the rotate button right here, rotate button. I'll click more rotate option. and it tells you to rotate. So with height and size, rotate -15 degree. So now it's look like this. Now we close. We just want to make it a -15 degree. And so far we haven't added the slide title yet. So we go to here, add title. This one is manage your energy. Okay. Now after that, we're gonna go back to slide 1. Okay, so we'll go back to slide 1. This is slide 1. Insert a rectangle top corner drift. So we're gonna insert the shape right here. So go to the insert shape, and it's under the rectangular shape, which is the rectangle top corner snipped. The fourth one. So it's like right here. So you have a shape like this. So proportionate size to 2.5 to times 2.5, 2.2 times 2.2. So 2.2 times 2.2. So we have something look like this. Then we fill the color, the rectangle with a picture of that. So go to shape fill, go to the picture, and the file, and we choose this one, which is this one. Let's suppose the one you're supposed to have. Okay. So after we have this, after we have the image pictures, we're gonna have to rotate. So go to, select this one and rotate left 90 degree and then flip it. We have left, we're gonna rotate left 90 degree. Then we flip horizontally. So it's look like this. So 2 steps, rotate left and rotate horizontal. So it's look like this. After that, we're gonna have to add the outline. So go shape outline. First of all, shape outline weight is 3 points. Okay, then outline styles to dash, which is where are we now? Square dot. The third one, square dot. Then add glow, shape effect glow, and the glow which is this one, glow 11 point, this one, glow 11 point, green accent 2. So this is suppose this one. Okay, we can move the cursor around to see. Okay, so now it is right. You can see. If you move the cursor around to see, you can see the name of this style. So we choose this style. And it tells you display the ruler and everything. So you want to have the right location, ruler, gray line, and a guide. So we can make the bottom right corner at the intersection, bottom right corner, which is this one, intersection of 6 right of the center and the 3 below the center. So we're gonna switch 3 right here. So we're gonna move up. So 3. Okay, 6 on the right and the 3 here. So you move up should look like this. And that is, you can utilize the ruler and the guide to put in the right location. So now we hide it back. So next thing we do is we're gonna add footers. The next part is display the insert click header footer. And then we have date. Now we're gonna use the click date and time. And we're gonna type fixed, which is we type October 1st. Click the slice number. Click footer. And then type green near street corporation. And click don't show on the title slides. Don't show on the title slides. Okay, after that, you apply to all. So all of them should have footer, as you can see here. So this October. That is how you add a footer. So you can add the footer in your own PowerPoint in the future. So after we have that, then we're gonna add a transition. So click transition here. And we can click more tab. So we're gonna choose the box transition. There's one called box. This one is box transition. Oh, and then we're gonna apply this transition to the title slides. Okay, only this one is okay. It's not to all. I have to. This is only for the title slides. Okay. Okay, it's already applied to all. So I mean, apply to all. Then next thing is we go to effect option right here. To display effect option gallery and then from top. I mean effect option, click the from top direction. Okay, so you know what? Let me undo the. I can undo this transaction. Okay. No, undo this. Oh, unfortunately, I undid the glow. Okay. Okay. So now I go back to this. Now this transition. Now you are not going to see this. Go to this transition. You have the box. Then you have the effect option. Now you choose from top. Okay, from top. Then you click the duration time from 1.6 to 3. And you can click preview button. It asks you to, you can preview it. Then you can apply to all. So all of them should have the same effect. Then you can click save button. If you don't want to change the name, you click this save button, it will save the exact same place. That is it. And also, if you want, you can start a view button and you can have a slideshow from beginning. Okay, so you can see that is what you have. And click the tab, space key, you go to next. And you click space key, you go to next. Again, the last one, and we're done. So that is all for chapter 2. Okay, I'm going to stop and I'm going to make another one for chapter 3. Thank you.